Hello, I'm Dr. Cohen. This tutorial is intended for children. An adult should always be present to supervise while the child is using the rinse. Please stay until the end to hear the precautions. Pour 100 milliliters of cooled boiled water into the Salex SSR Paediatric bottle. Open one Salex SSR Paediatric sachet and empty the contents into the bottle. Ensure the inner tube is firmly seated inside the nozzle. Screw the nozzle securely onto the bottle. Close the nozzle with your finger and shake well until all the contents have fully dissolved. Have your child stand and lean forward over a bathroom basin in a comfortable position with their head facing down. Ask the child to open their mouth wide and gently place the nozzle of the Salex bottle into one nostril. Gently squeeze the bottle while keeping the mouth open. The solution will drain from the other nostril or through their mouth. Do not insert the nozzle too far. Use about half the solution, approximately 50 milliliters, then repeat on the other side. After rinsing, have the child gently blow their nose. Avoid blocking both nostrils completely. Always consult a healthcare professional if you are unsure. Do not use Salex if you have a severe ear infection or recent ear surgery unless advised by a doctor. It is vital to use only boiled and cooled water to prepare the solution. Also, ensure you are not allergic to any of the ingredients. Stop use immediately if irritation occurs. As with all medical products, keep Salex out of the reach of children. Never reuse or store unused solution. For your safety, always discard any remaining mixture after each use. Salex SSR Paediatric Kit is available at pharmacies and retailers nationwide. Visit our website www.saline.co.za for more information.